Breaking XRP SEC news. SEC knows it's over? Ripple CEO reveals shocking news on Ripple's sales. XRP Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC is approaching a critical juncture. Although Ripple secured favorable rulings in some aspects of the case, there remains potential for an appeal from the SEC, especially surrounding the classification of XRP as a security in institutional sales. If the SEC decides to appeal by early October, it could further extend the litigation, impacting XRP's future in the market. Additionally, Ripple's anticipated Swell conference might bring news on their upcoming RLUSD stablecoin and potential ETF developments, fueling speculation about Ripple's next steps. These plans align with Ripple's larger goal of expanding tokenization on the XRP ledger, potentially targeting a $50 trillion market. Will this be the spark XRP needs for new highs?